Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing a quick introduction to the channel video about the Ryobi 18 volt hot glue gun, which is P305. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So today, this is just going to be a quick introduction to the channel video. This is the 18 volt hot glue gun by Ryobi 18 volt 1 Plus system. It has got a 3-year warranty. It is for US. Number is 1002-185-532. Canada number, I believe, which is what the KAN stands for, would be 1001-022-812. Model number is Paul 305. They do have a 307 that is the upgraded model of this guy that just came out, which the 307, this gray in the handle comes up here. This switch is not just an on-off switch, it's now a off, high, and a low switch. As well as there's a swing out drip tray that's on that unit. This is the older model. I picked this up for my wife, as well as I picked up this guy right here for my wife, which is the P306, which is the newer version and the smaller version of this one. So this is the mini version. This one takes mini glue sticks, and that one takes full-size glue sticks, which I have in the package, so they're a lot bigger in this one. This states on the package 0.86 pounds. I did show weights and measurements on the unboxing video. Powered by a P108 18 volt 1 Plus high capacity lithium battery. You will get 3.5 hours of runtime out of that battery. So when I look up a P108, it comes up as the high capacity battery that looks like it got replaced. So this guy right here is a P108, which is the black with silver, black with the green stem. This is the Ryobi Lithium Plus 18 volt battery. And it looks like it got replaced by the P190, P192, the P192, and this battery is the Lithium Plus HP variant. So the stem is now black with green 4 amp hour lettering on the number and lettering on the side. I believe that all 4 amp hours are probably going to give you the same 3.5 hour runtime. I could be wrong. The battery I have is the old 18 volt lithium 4 amp hour. It's not the fancy batteries. And I'll give you guys an example. So this charger that the 4 amp hour kits of the battery that's on there right now, which shows you the different types. So the black and gray battery, which is this battery right here, it's black and gray, is a lithium 18 volt battery. The lithium plus battery, 18 volt batteries on here show silver gray with a green stem, which is this guy right here, lithium plus 18 volt, black, gray, black with a green stem. Same thing on here. And then the lithium plus HP on here shows silver, black, and black. That's just a demonstration. This is a lithium plus HP battery, so it's black, gray, black, or silver, black, black. So it does give you the generics on here. I could be wrong. This is not a high capacity battery, so it could only run like an hour on that. I have no idea. I do plan on upgrading that charger I just showed you to a better charger down the road. chargers aren't expensive, you know, 59 bucks, you get a, you know, a 60-minute or less charger. Not bad. You know, Milwaukee or DeWalt, you're looking at $100, $150, $200 for something like that. I might be picking up some of these new HP Plus batteries in the future for fans and other stuff. But, you know, like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to be doing lots of videos on Ryobi tools coming up. This is the newer, the oldest glue gun that they make. A lot of people have told me that they love it. There isn't very many options for glue guns on the market unless you get some kind of cheap, weird battery system from Amazon. Ryobi, as far as I know, is the only one that makes a glue gun. I would have preferred to buy one from Milwaukee or DeWalt, or, you know, somebody that have lots of batteries from, but, you know, it doesn't look like TTI wants to make this in the Milwaukee platform, or you know, the rigid platform. But, you know, this is just a quick, you know, introduction to the channel. Also, you know, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Do have a link at the top of the description below for Ulsa Tools. If you guys use that link, it'll get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. As well as when you use it, it helps me out because I get 10% off. When you guys do use it, it does help me out a little bit. And one last thing. If you guys want to send me some Ryobi tools to do head-to-heads on the channel, that would be amazing. If you don't, it's no big deal. I do appreciate all of you guys, whether you send me a tool to test or not. I appreciate all you guys. It does get really expensive buying different brands and every variant of tool. You know, I have DeWalt, Milwaukee, Metabo HPT, Bosch, Makita. I have hammer drills for each one of them, including their different versions. You know, their 12 volt version compared to their 18 volt version compared to the 36 volt models. I have hammer drills in all of those brands and all of those sizes, M12 and M18 for Milwaukee. Same with impact drivers and everything else. And it gets expensive. So if you guys have an old tool, maybe you upgraded to the newest HP Ryobi line of hammer drill and impact driver, and you guys don't mind sending me, you know, the older models for testing, and then I can send them back to you, it would be awesome and very much appreciated. I don't plan on buying the hammer drills, impact drivers, you know, cut-off tools or anything like that from Ryobi. Who knows? Maybe I will. Maybe I'll get into the 40 volt line for a specific tool. I don't know. But I want to say thank you to all of you guys. You guys that watch, comment, you like, dislike, subscribed, not subscribed, people that watch the ads on some of the videos, people that use the affiliate links. You guys are all amazing. It is all because of you guys that the channel is monetized and making money. So I'm going to be doing head-to-heads. I need to pick up 2 Sheetmaster jaw horses, as well as I'm going to start using the money from the channel to buy wood. We're going to start using the money from the channel also to buy tools and stuff like that, as well as I do have a join and a membership section on the channel. If, you know, there's features that you guys want to see, you know, let me know. I'll upgrade and update the memberships for, you know, 99 cents does more than one thing compared to $5, stuff like that. I'm just getting into that, but I have DeWalt 8 volt, 12 volt Extreme, 20 volt XR, 60 volt Flex Volt, and 120 volt Flex Volt, M12 and M18 Milwaukee brushed and brushless fuel tools. I got Bosch 18 volt core. I don't have any of the 12 volt tools, maybe in the future, who knows. Got Metabo 18 volt, Metabo HPT Hitachi power tools, 18 volt and 36 volt multi-volt tools. I got Milwaukee I believe I mentioned Milwaukee M12, M18. Got Ryobi 18 volt now, maybe 40 volt in the future. Got Makita 7.2 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt, 18 volt, and 36 volt X2, as well as we're going to be bringing to the channel for head-to-heads the 40 volt and 80 volt Makita tools that just came out. Also got Bosch Tix 18 volt. I got Earthquake XT from Harbor Freight's 12 volt and 20 volt. I got, in corded tools, I have Makita, Bosch, Milwaukee. I have Stanley Black & Decker, Porter Cable, Makita, and I believe a couple others, some older tools as well. I have a couple corded skill saw brand tools as well. So if any of those things interest you guys, you know, please smush the bell notification icon, because I'm going to be doing a lot more demonstrations and head-to-head videos, and if that's something you're more interested in, well, you might want to, you know, hit the bell notification icon for updates on that. I do hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and thank you guys for sticking around for the video on this, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!